The story of Scrappy Gizmo and Thor. Another special guest by Nana and Papa. First, Papa.
Hi there, Shaw.
Next is Nana. We're kicking it off with Thor. Thor, you're on the table. You're not supposed to be on the table. I'm just so disappointed. Why? Check out what Gizmo and Scrappy are doing. Okay, are they going on a date again? Yeah, they are. Fine, we're going off to Scrappy and Gizmo now.
There's Thor. Thor was here and he left.
Hey Scrappy, what's up? Thor is so jealous of you. Why? Because you're dating Gizmo. What do you think about that, Nana?
Oh, I think they're pretty cute. I like them all. Look at that sweet little Gizmo. Oh, does she have a fancy coat?
Hi Gizmo, what's up? He's such a cutie boy. Okay, I think I know why Thor is so jealous.
Papa filling his face.
What are you doing? Are you stalking me?
Kind of.
Are you? Get the back of my head.
I hit you in the back of the head. I hit you on the head. We're heading off to
What?
Thor. You're still on the table, Thor. I can't believe you. Well, go. Oh, this is so powerful. Thor, I know why you're jealous, but you have to live like this. I mean, Scrappy is your friend and Gizmo is your friend. You have to live like this forever. 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 Forever.